Learn English. Enjoy English. With our videos, ForB English.
Hi everyone! Welcome to ForB's English lesson video. I'm Rianna and today we're going to show you another video. I'd like you to describe what she is doing. Let's take a look. What is she doing? There are two ways to describe what she is doing. First, she is crossing her arms. Second, she is folding her arms. We can use both sentences to describe this position. We say crossing because it looks like a cross, crossing. We say folding because we make a folding action. So when you fold a paper, fold paper. Or when you fold your clothes, so folding. Let's practice these sentences together. Please repeat after me. She is crossing her arms. She is folding her arms. Great job! Many people see arm crossing or arm folding as a bad gesture. So it does not make you feel welcome. So if you want to look friendly, please try not to do this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you!